strength is failing, and all I've built falls down. You chase me through the shadows, your mercy still surrounds.
Like Joseph's brothers trembling, I bow before your grace. You take what's meant for ruin and turn it to praise.
You're the God who never leaves, even when I run away.
Restore us, Lord. Your kindness leads us home. You lift the brokenhearted. You claim us as your own. Your sovereign hand is faithful. Your love will never end. Restore us, Lord. Restore us once again.
Once again, you shine into my conscience. You wake the sleeping heart. You call me from deception to make a holy start. You heal what I have twisted. You cleanse what I have stained. Your love pursues your children with mercy unrestrained.
You're the God who pulls me near when I could never find the way. Restore us, Lord. Your kindness leads us home. You lift the brokenhearted. You claim us as your own. Your sovereign hand is faithful. Your love will never end. Restore us, Lord. Restore us once again.
Take the years the locusts stole. You breathe your hope into the soul. In every trial, every tear, your restoring love is near. Restore us now, restore us more.
Restore us, Lord. Your kindness leads us home. You lift the brokenhearted. You claim us as your own. Your sovereign hand is faithful. Your love will never end. Restore us, Lord. Restore us once again.
Restore us, Lord. Restore us once again. Once again.